install Git on our macOS. First, I'm going to go ahead and go to Google. Type in Git. Go to git-sem.com. I'm going to go over here to install for Mac. And then I'm going to follow these. Let's see here. Choose one of the following options for Git on Mac OS. I'm going to install via Homebrew. Press Y to proceed with the installation. I'm using my cell phone's hotspot. I'm using Visible, so it might take a little bit longer than you guys. And Git is a version control to keep track of the changes that you make to your files. It also comes with a GUI, a GUI, if you want to install that as well. And VS Code has a nice Git extension as well. And if you are using AI, your agents will highly benefit from you downloading and installing Git. Alright. Right on. So Git is installed. I'm going to see if I can find this quick little thing so you guys can get Git set up. It's this nice little thing that I like to use when I freshly set up Git on my operating system. Here it is. Alright, basic Git commands. Which one I click on? Basic Git commands, Atlassian support. Yeah, so these are essential commands that you'll enter into your terminal. So if you type in Git, it should now show you these basic commands here. And yeah, take note of this here. Go ahead and type these in, config with your username, your email, preferably the email that you use for your GitHub. And when you're ready to start a project, you'll open up that projects folder in your terminal and type in git init, and you'll initialize it. And whenever you make changes to the file, you'll add those changes to your Git history, and you'll commit them with a message, and then you'll push them to your repository on GitHub. And to connect your repo to the repository on GitHub, you'll do a git remote add origin, or you can just clone the repository. You can create it on GitHub and you can clone it locally and then do your pushes that way.